Yo, yo, yo. It is Wednesday, November 13th. Now, before we get into this, please give me that thumbs up. Please play my videos all the way through. I'm right there pushing through to that 4K. Leave your comments in the box below. Give me a genuine comment because YouTube is getting strict on spamming, and anything can be spam and type in the same comment in everybody's comment box across the board. Just putting emojis, um, saying the same thing over and over. So yeah, they're getting strict on that, and it's our responsibility to control the spam in our comments, whether it's on a video or a live. So just leave a genuine comment and not a bunch of emojis or whatever. And if you feel like you can't leave a genuine comment, just give me the like, and that's it. But I do want to tell you thank you for coming. Anywho, it's a hot dog night. It's Wednesday. Y'all know my Masked Singer is on. We're going to pray, and then we're going to get into this. So I got some all beef hot dogs here with mustard and onions. I got Greek salad, Greek pasta salad. For my dessert, I got me, what you call these things? They didn't put it on here. I forget what you call them, but I love them. And then I got me a soda, a Sprite with ice and lemon. All from AJ's. Ordered my turkey today from AJ's. I get my turkey every year from AJ's because they get these turkeys in from farms. And they have a natural and organic turkey. I always get a small one, like anywhere from 14 to 16 pounds. He said he don't know what's the smallest is going to be because they haven't gotten them in. I think they get them in the week of Thanksgiving. But I always pick mine up the day before. And my video I did yesterday, it was supposed to be no wiping challenge, so I just wiped my finger. I keep forgetting I make this the no wiping your mouth. That's what it is, no wiping your mouth. And Flavasbydamedash brought it back. I can't remember who started it, but Flavasbydamedash brought it back. Well, if y'all don't watch The Masked Singer, you're missing out. Last week, I thought the flamingo was Patti LaBelle. But now I'm thinking the flower is Patti LaBelle. I could hear her trying to mask her voice because Patti has a distinctive voice. I think the flamingo is Fantasia because she could sound like Patti. And she was disguising her voice too. The flamingo. But I bet money on it that Patti is the flower. When she hit that high note, they gave it away. And you could tell she was holding back on how she normally sing, her tone. Yeah. You still got time to catch. I just want to wipe so bad. The Masked Singer is on Hulu. I think it's on Netflix too. Let me hear. Let me see if I can hear. Oh, because I never heard the tree sing. People thought the tree was Patty, but it's the flamingo. It's either the flamingo or the flower that's Patty. But I'm thinking it's the the flower. Patty is mad because she couldn't do her and kick her shoes off. Patty said, y'all ain't letting me be great in this doggone costume now. I can't get loose like I want to. But when she unveils, she gonna get loose. Okay. The tree is on. I could see how they could say a little bit is Patty, but the tree is not Patty. Legs too skinny, first of all. That ain't Patty. The tree ain't Patty. It's the flamingo or the flower, but I'm putting on my bet on the flower. Y'all join us on Twitter for the Masked Singer. Just the Masked Singer is trending every Wednesday. And just tag tweet who you think each Masked Singer is with the hashtag Masked Singer. The Fox, I think, is Wayne Brady. It sounds just like Wayne Brady to me. But shout out to Rissa's Mukbang. She did the no wiping challenge. And Be Love shouted her out. And also put her video on her community tab page. But then last night, she came into Rissa's live. And that just made her night. That Be Love was in her live. And it was only like 4 of us in there. But I finished without wiping my mouth. I just wiped my hand a little bit, but I only did it the one time, so it's still dirty. My mouth's still dirty. Normally I have to wipe my mouth and my hands. I'm not going to eat my dessert now. I'm going to save it for later because I just ate. But, yeah, we chatted it up with Be Love in the chat. And she was pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? That's one of the things that I like about people like that. She has over 2 million followers, but she takes time to come down and talk to the little people like us because she didn't have to jump in Rissa's chat. Rissa just have a little bit over 400 subscribers she just made, and as of last night, excuse me, she had 412, and we was in there congratulating her. And here come Be Love, shouted her out. She shouted me out in one of the videos, the challenges I had did, and I got one or two, people who came over to see what I was about when she shouted me out, and I thanked her for that because she didn't have to do that. She did follow me, but it was just nice to see her out of all of the people that she can follow and all of the bigger mukbangers, and that she chose to come to Rissa's live last night. I could wipe my hands and mouth now, and just chatted up with us. I don't know what happened, but Rissa's, I think she pressed something because she's still learning how to work the live, and she needed glasses on. But she stayed there and chatted it up with us, and we was all just trying to give tips to each other because I've been on YouTube for over 6 years. Y'all know they demonetized me because I abandoned my channel for 2 years for various reasons, and when I came back, it was after January 1st. They had already switched the rules, so that's that. So that's why I'm here now, working for these 4,000 watch hours. But yeah, she was mad cool. She just came and chatted it up and laughed with us or whatever until Rissa's live cut off, and then that was the end of the live. So shout out to Be Love. Shout out to Rissa. Rissa's real cool. She do support. She's not one that says she gonna support and then don't. I was mentioning Be Love supporting because you have a lot of people out here, once they get popular, they have their little cliques, and if you're not one of their cliques, or if you're not one of the bigger YouTubers or popular, they don't want to have nothing to do with you, which I cannot stand, because you was small at once and a nobody too, and people helped you and watch you and continue to help you grow, and then you look down on other people or other content creators, or they too small for you. You don't have time for them no more. When you had time, when you had no subscribers, you was trying to meet your goal. You know what I'm saying? So, but that's life. That's why I don't too much fool with too many people and tend to do my own thing, because man will disappoint you every time. When you think they're gonna do the right thing, they don't do the right thing. But anyway, I'm gonna get off of here. This is going on 13 minutes. I just wanted to come mukbang with you with my dinner, talk a little bit about the Masked Singer and some things. Y'all didn't check out my video or my holiday gifts. Go check them out. Again, it doesn't have to be as big or expensive or as glamorous or whatever. They sell silver. I'm gonna come back. Peace.